How you doing, friends? Welcome back. My name's Rick and this is WindersRanger. I don't have a whole lot in the way of video today. I was in town yesterday and the day before for work purposes, and I got stopped by a train, one of the main lines, I guess, that run through the state of Florida, north and south. There's probably one on the East Coast too, but this runs through Central Florida. And just happened to be a train coming by. I didn't get the head end, but got a little bit of video of that. It's kind of neat. It had a mid-train helper, which you don't see very often. Just out on the golf cart taking care of some errands and things, and over here at the lake we saw a turtle. I'll throw that in. I just came down to the pond here, and one of the turtles is up on the bank and was looking for the last time I was here. Kind of hanging out in the shade. It's a nice cool breezy day today, so I guess he's just come up here to get himself some greens and take a break in the shade. Sure is peaceful. Oddly enough, I saw out on one of the main roads, I'm not going to say where it was because I don't know what the circumstances are behind this, and I don't want to draw unwanted attention to whoever's property this was, because it didn't look like it was necessarily open for people to stop by as visitors. But there was a daggone UFO sitting out alongside the road, so got a little video of that. I'll throw that in here too. So, man alive, the stuff that you see alongside of the road. There's a doggone UFO out here. Unbelievable. I've got some projects coming up. One of them is going to be a keyless entry I'm going to put on the RV door. I'm going to start with the rear door, and then if it works out okay, I'm going to get the same thing for the front door. So when that comes in, I ordered some cast iron skillet, 2 different sizes. One of the channels that I follow, this guy Kent Rollins, Cowboy Cooking or something like that, he talks up the cast iron and the benefits, and versus using, say, like Teflon coated stuff, which is popular nowadays. So I thought, well, I'll give it a try. So it's coming from, the company's name is Lodge, I think they're up in like Tennessee or Kentucky, somewhere up like that. And it's a rough casting. It's not as refined and finished as the stuff from years ago, the old stuff. It can be, it just needs some work. And it's also pre-seasoned, so we'll have to work on that. I think I might make that a video. I just went to the post office and got the sandpaper that I'll need to do the refinishing, not refinish, but can't think of the name of it. The coating on the outside, the pre-finished, the seasoning on the frying pan. So I got the sandpaper for that. We'll re-season it and get it up to specs of what it should be, or try to, the best I can anyway. So that'll be a video. The door lock will be a video. I've got a few other things, so whether that's going to be the next one or not, it's going to kind of depend on Amazon and the delivery, UPS and all that stuff. The frying pans, the door locks, the sandpaper here, none of that stuff was considered essential. So they're delaying all the stuff that's non-essential, and they're putting things that are essential, toilet paper I guess, ahead of everything else, and they're shipping that stuff first. So it's taking a little bit longer than normal to get things, so I guess when I get it in I'll make a video of it. So this video is kind of like just a hodgepodge. Next one might be the same thing. It kind of depends on what we have and projects wise. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.